You got the new battery in the car. It starts. But what else should you be doing before you return that car to the customer? We're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Nissan, innovation that excites. Visit partsadvantage.nissanusa.com for more information.
Replacing a battery, well, it's easy. It's usually 2 cables and maybe 2 or 3 bolts on a hold down. But before you return that car to a customer, there are some critical things underneath the hood and inside the car that you need to address. Inside the car, probably one of the most critical things to address is the HVAC system. In some cases, some vehicles may not remember the position of the doors inside the HVAC system. This may require reprogramming with a scan tool or an auto relearn reset. Let's talk about the glass on the vehicle. If the vehicle has power windows and an express up or express down feature, you need to relearn those positions so they function properly. This includes a couple different procedures, including holding the button down for 5 seconds in the fully down position or 5 seconds in the fully up position. Check the service manual for the correct procedure. And don't forget the sunroof. Let's talk about the infotainment system on the vehicle. If you're lucky enough to catch the radio presets before it fully lost power and you changed out the battery, you may want to have written those down and then program those back into the system. You need to also advise the customer if they had any locations in their nav system, they may need to reprogram those. The instructions are typically in the service manual. In some cases, if the ECM loses power, it will need to relearn the position of the idle air control valve so it will idle properly. Check the service manual for a complete list of services needed when replacing the battery. Anybody can replace a battery, but it takes a real technician who is able to return that vehicle to fully operating condition after the battery's been replaced. Follow these steps and look for these things before you replace a battery, and this way you're going to have a very happy customer. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.